by your shoulder lapels. Let's take a look at the back. I got this beautiful flotation. This is going to help me take a nap if I fall in that 55-degree water. So we want to make sure that this is on the outside. If it's tucked in, we're going to probably give you
Warren.
Oh, yeah. Friedel and Warren, you guys are going to be going down with Kyle.
Yay.
All right, Kyle.
Are you all with Kyle too? Oh, let's go. Come on.
Take the show, bro.
And then we just don't want to crush the ladies against the wall.
Next time we come, we'll actually be going in water.
Good play.
It's 8 miles, go pretty good hike. Charge. Ready? Charge. 2, 3. Whoa, Patsy. Then you stop paddling. Ow. Perfect. So what's backwards?
Run away! Yeah! Oh, fun!
Everyone, don't
Whoa!
I didn't fail.
Oh my god! I am silly!
Oh!
Flowers.
How fun!
Carnations and flowers all over. Oh my god!
What a pretty bridge.
It used to be campgrounds where we could bring RVs or tents and travel trailers. We used to have views from off the side
Rob Kelly Bridge. Very cool.
The side of the road. Anyway, there's one of 2 campgrounds. It is pretty accessible to stay on the
Oh my god!
Oh, backwards! How fun! All right!
That's not good! Oh my god!
It's really pretty through here.
The right side of the boat needs to get wet.
Yeah, it's going to happen. Here we go.
Oh my god!
Oh, that was fun. Look at that guy. Woohoo!
Don't lose anyone.
Alright. Not the metal paddle bin, not the metal paddle bin.
Turn to your right. Hold on. That way. Yes, perfect.
Raft coming through.